application. The court was treated to a so-called live demonstration. Shall we be given an opportunity? We don't require more than 3 or 4 minutes to indicate that what the court was shown is not true. Because otherwise, this image is now all over the country, a sensational image about forms with the names of people, whereas in truth, that is not correct. All that I would request, Madam Chief Justice, is an opportunity for rebuttal. On the basis that that is new evidence, it was never played, those are not polling stations in the petition, it's totally new. It will be unfair for us to walk away without being given an opportunity to defend ourselves.